From the name of UzSummarize, you might assume we simply summarize content in Uzbek. Yeah, you're right, but our mission goes far beyond that. We are saving valuable time for Uzbek students, creators, and even businesses, helping them access essential knowledge and accelerate their growth. Hi, I'm Saurabh Abdullah, a founder of UzSummarize, which is considered as an AI-powered platform, breaking down language barriers and unlocking knowledge for every Uzbek speaker. In Uzbekistan, access to global knowledge often hits a language wall. At UzSummarize, we are building the bridge with a suite of smart AI tools. With the support of President Tech Award, we will expand to cover regional dialects, grow across Central Asia, and establish Uzbekistan as a leader in AI innovation. UzSummarize is not just a tool, it's a feature of information for our nation. Let's build our future together.